Chapter 7, Part B, Briefs. Strata Council. The developer serves as the Strata Council until he hands the supervision of the development over to the owners. This happens when the developer sells a sufficient number of lots, or a sufficient number of lots, or enough time passes. At the first general meeting, the owner must select the Strata Council and approve the budget. The Strata Council is an executive body to oversee, the Strata Corporation. Each year, a new Strata Council is elected. Each year. So the new each year election basically. The first general meeting must happen within 6 weeks. 6 weeks. So whichever occur first. The conveyance of 50% of the strata lots plus one of strata lots. Basically 51%. The passage of 9 months from the date of first conveyance. So after the first conveyance is done, so then the 9 months should go. Over 50 plus 1. Strata Corporation bylaws determine the number of seats on council. Only one owner named on title may sit on council. The rules of the use of common property and common assets, like a board of directors of a company. They make basically rules. Strata Council exercise the powers and perform the duty of Strata Corporation, including the enforcement of bylaws and rules. So Council basically use its power regarding bylaws and rules. Strata Council can hire a Strata property manager, and reports to Council, not owners. So it reports to the Council, not to the owners. It can spend funds from the operating fund budget 5% or 2,000. So I'll add 5%. So the Council can spend up to 5% or 2,000, whichever is less. A tenant with a 3-year or more lease can be elected on Council as well. For a member of the owner's family, or owner give tenant written assignment or owner's power to serve on the Council. So I'll add 3 years. So 3 years or more, tenant can also be on the Council too. Bylaws serves as the Strata Corporation's constitutions. All Strata Councils start with standard bylaws from the Strata Property Act and can be amended or changed to suit their needs, such as no rentals, no pets, 55 and over, highlight. So each Strata Council has different basically. So some strata units, they don't allow rentals, some don't allow pets, right? Some don't allow 55 and over. Unless it violates the law, then it is unforeseeable, even if it was a unanimous vote. The bylaws govern the owner's obligation, including the use of the strata lots, no business for example, and common property and common assets, and the administration of Strata Corporation. So basically bylaws governs. So basically those owners, how do they use it? They can't run the business. Only members can amend the bylaws by a 3/4, 75% vote. 3/4 on unanimous vote for special resolution. So 75% vote we need. Rules. Strata less formal, no swimming after 10 p.m. So they can make a rule too. For example, no swimming after 10 p.m. Strata Council can pass a rule to regulate the use, safety and condition of the common property and common assets. This is for the owner, tenant, occupant, visitors, they all must comply. Highlight, must comply. The Strata Council enforces the bylaws and rules, but cannot change the bylaws without special. Highlight, can't change without special. So you 75%. Note. An amendment by law is not enforceable unless the Strata Corporation files, highlight not enforceable and highlight files it with Strata plan at the land title office within 60 days. So any rule they pass, they need to submit it to the land title office within 60 days. Special resolution vote. This is a special vote of Strata lot owner that involves a significant change, highlight significant change in the use of appearance of common property or land that is common asset. Put in secure locking front gate. These are the examples. There is a general meeting held and there must be 75% of vote. 75%. Ordinary resolution. If the permission of privilege does not involve major changes to the common property, Strata Council can hold a simple majority, means 51%. Highlight not major changes, 50. Highlight simple majority, 51%. And grant permission. This cannot be granted for more than 1 year. Highlight not more than 1 year. And council can revoke permission if see fit. Tie vote. President has extra vote. If the vote is tied 50-50, then president has extra vote. Some votes must be unanimous, mean 100% if the bylaw requires this, and 100%. A non-residential strata lot can have more than one vote. Check schedule for voting right. So I have a non-residential, more than one. Voting privileges. Each unit has the right to vote once. So I have each unit one vote, unless schedule of voting rights provided for it. Lenders with a mortgage over a strata lot may vote in place of the owner. Highlight lender in place of owner must give council 3 days, highlight 3 days, written notice of intent to vote on matter affecting the security of the mortgage. Someone who is legally authorized to vote for another, someone with power of attorney, highlight power of attorney. Tenant who passes for set term of 3 years or more automatically can vote. Who leases for more than 3 years, highlight more than 3 years. Family member can do that. An owner can assign some of or all of the owner's powers and duties, including the right to vote, to a tenant. Highlight assignment to a tenant. The owner must notify the strata corporation about it under the Act. Purchasing a strata lot. What should a licensee do? New purchaser, owner, or person authorized by the owner may request information certificate, highlight information certificate, from the strata corporation in a Form B, highlight Form B. The information certificate disclosed everything about the strata property, monthly strata fee, highlight amount owner owes, any amendment, highlight amendment to the bylaws which are not filed in land title office. The strata corporation must attach copies of its rules, current budget, highlight current budget, and the developer's rental disclosure, if any, to the information certificate. Section 115, highlight, of the Strata Property Act entitled purchasers to request a certificate of payment in Form F. Highlight a certificate of payment in Form F. The certificate of payment inform the buyer whether there is any money owing to the strata corporation in respect to strata lots. So basically Form B and Form F. So Form B, you find out about the monthly fees, amount owner owes, any amendment to bylaws, and F would know about any money owing to the corporation. Selling a strata unit. What should a licensee do? Licensee should request and review the following minutes for the 24-month, highlight 24 months. Strata Council minutes go back 2 years, highlight 2 years. Minutes from all annual, extraordinary or special general meeting. Minute of the executive and of any general meeting of any section to which the estate lot belongs. The budget and financial statements. The bylaw and rules. So basically, for last 2 years, minutes you need, Strata Council minutes.